Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of an HTC Tattoo imported thanks to smggsm.com. Basically it was shipped out UPS, so just going to take a look. Hold on here. Just going to get my pocket knife out and we'll get started. Okay, got it open. So, paper. It's like a European converter, and HTC Tattoo box here. So it's just got all of the descriptions there, colors. Wow, it is mighty small. That is one small little phone. Front and back there. Just this up. What do we have here? It's like another label with the IMEI and serial number information. Welcome to HTC. And HTC guys, some basic paperwork it looks like, and the warranty statement, list of accessories, and a whole bunch of extra gizmos here. Let's see what we got. Set headphones, looks like part of the power adapter, another part of the power adapter, and our sync cable. I'm just going to open up these bags here. Sorry, I don't have a free hand. So because it is an import, I mean we do have, it's just going to be a standard USB cable here. And then, I believe on this end, it is the proprietary HTC extended USB. But because it is an import here, they have the main power adapter, which is going to be USB on the bottom, and then we've got this foreign plug here, which just slides into place, and the adapter here, I believe that's just going to slide on there, so a little bit bulky, but gets the job done, and headphones, and it looks like pretty nice headphones. It's got a mic and button there. I get a nice solid feel, definitely. Okay, there we go. Got the battery cover off, and put the wrap off of the battery. Just had to pop the SIM card out of my iPhone here that I'm recording with. So let's see. Mechanism slides out, lifts up. The SIM card goes down in there. Just like that. And slides back into place. Also just a big SD card, which I picked up at Best Buy. Comes with this adapter here, but we'll go over that more later on. Just going to put the battery pack in, contacts facing down there. And it's a pretty universal battery pack. I've read that the battery itself is the same one that they use in the MyTouch and other HTC phones. We'll also go over different cases once I get a set to swap this out with. And let's flip it over, turn her on. Real test is to see if it shipped with a European ROM, which I believe it does, just looking at kind of the packaging and whatnot, which would be a worldwide ROM, or if it shipped with what people have been running into would be the Malaysian ROM, which doesn't have like the Android marketplace or anything nice like that, and it just has Malaysian and Vietnamese English for the two options. Oh, that's nice. Hey guy? Oh no! It did ship with the Malaysian ROM in there, so I am going to have to reflash that. Damn it. So, that's my next project. We'll see a guide on that hopefully soon.